What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Busy, back again with another dance tutorial. Today, we're in the Soca vibe. So, make sure you grab your rag, wherever country you're from, wherever you're repping. Even if it doesn't have a country on it, just grab your flag and let's get into this dance. Alright, so for this routine, I'm going to start with my rag in my right hand the whole time. And I'm going to start running in on 1, 2, 3. So when I start running in, I'm going to run in with my right leg first. Right, left, right. Okay? And on that last step, this left leg is going to kick up to help me jump. Boom. Okay? So it's going to feel like this. Ta, ta, ha. And as I'm coming down, I'm going to make my hands go ka, 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 ka. Then I'm going to take my shoulders to go ta, 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 ta. Okay? Real quick. 5, 6, 7, and run, run, kick, hit and a hit. Shoulders, a shake and a drop. Okay? From here, we go into the next part. You're going to start marching on your right leg first. Right, and point the right hand forward, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, pull the hands. 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to go back on the right leg to pull your hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get that nice groove there, all right? From here, you're going to take your body, step out with the right leg, bring the hands together almost like you're tracing your body. Right, left, and then throw the right hand down as you ball change. Right, left, right, step out the left leg, hand on the hip, hand goes over behind the back, boom, push your chest out, 7, stop. What did we just do? Alright, so from the top nice and slow, the rhythm goes 5, 6, 7, and ta, 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 ka, 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 ka. As soon as we reach, it's fire. I beg you, please. Step, step, ball change, and reach. 2, 3, 4. Okay? So when you reach out here, this is that moment you feel like, you're feeling yourself like, yo, you see me, I'm coming true. Jeez. All right? So from here now, reach, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go down, stepping on my left leg, shaking the shoulders. Just step, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to bring my right leg out. Hands are going to turn to fists to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then to finish off the phrase, bring my hands into an X. I'm going to bring my knee up, lead out with my toe, heel, toe. Then after I'm taking a little sip of rum, boom, bring it back in. Stop there, okay? That's going to be the first section of the dance. Let's repeat that whole thing one more time with the rhythm. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and ta, ta, ka, ta, 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 ka, 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 and boom, boom, dee, boom, doom, ka, ta, ta, and boom. It's fire. I beg you, please. We don't want no chaser and we run. Ha. Okay? So that's going to be the first section there. So from here now, we're going to move on to the second section. Now this is like, I call this section the stink section, alright? Okay, you get your stink behavior on. So you're going to take your body, you're going to think of raising up on your toes, and the groove is going to feel like this. Up, down. Okay, but when I come up, my hands can come to my shoulders, it can come to my head, anything that makes you feel a little stink. Yes? So I'm going to go up, I go up, boom, then I come down to a squat, step. Okay? Then I'm going to step with my left hand, my left leg, not my left hand, and I'm going to step across, swing my right as I step with the left, then swing my right up. Okay? It's going to like dash it away to the back. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, I'm going to bring my left hand up like I'm just stushing something. I'm going to come up again. 5. Come down. 6. Then the groove is going to come from the shoulder, torso, and the waist area. 7, 8. Alright? Stop there one more time. We said, we don't want no chaser and we run. And we come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From here, you're going to get real stink again. You're going to take your hands, you're going to give me an X, boom, just by your area here. X, step to the side, and then from here your hands are gonna swing. So after you go X, and hands come up, you're gonna jump together, swing the hands behind you, and land, open up here. All right? Now from this part, you're gonna step, the rhythm you're gonna step on is right, left, left, right. And you're either winding your waistline, so you can put your hands on your knees and wind your waist, or keep yourself up and you're using more of your torso area. So I'm gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can put it down on your knees and step 1, 2, 3, 4 and still wind up yourself, okay? From there, you're gonna step onto the right leg, throwing the left hand out. The rhythm, you're gonna go ba, 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 ha, 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 ha. And you're just throwing your hands like you're just so business about nothing. Just like, I don't care. Alright? So you said one more time. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, 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 ha, 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 ha. Okay? Now from here, we're gonna go forward. We're gonna throw our hands up, like we don't care again. And you're gonna hop onto the left leg, flicking out the right leg like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? So one more time, just remember that. We said from here, stink. 5, 6, 7, we said boom, ka, hoom, ta, ha, ha, boom, ta, hoom, ta. Wind up yourself and wind up yourself and I flick, 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 boom, 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 boom. All right, let's finish off this phrase. You're gonna take your hands, you're gonna come in, flex, open up, flex, open up. They're gonna step towards the front, right, left, right, left, right, scoop. What did he just do? He said, from here, in, out, and when you're doing that in, out, you can play with the hands. You can be like, in, out, and you know the stank face is always there. Even though on the video you probably see, I'm wearing a mask, you won't see it, but you can feel the vibe. From here, I go, step, 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 boom. Okay, now last one's my scoop. The rhythm's gonna go, ka, 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 ka. So, boom, ta, boom, ta, ka, 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 ka. All right? Stop there from now. Let's do the whole thing from the stink part. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6. We said, we don't want no chaser in, we run. And we come with boom, ka, ta, boom, ka, ooh. Boom, ta, boom, ka, doom, ka. Boom, ba, ka, 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 ha, boom. Boom, ha, boom, ha, ka, 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 ka. From here now, we go into the Ragstorm section. This is where we get crazy with our rags now, okay? So, after we finish the scoop, I'm gonna step forward with the right leg, making this hand come out. I'm gonna go, boom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, but I'm gonna pick up the left leg on this last one. So give me a march, left, right, and that's gonna help me turn around or just prep, okay? So it's gonna be like, from here, ka, 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 and start to run now, start to run now, start to run now. From here, I'm gonna slide back, 5, 6, then I'm gonna take this left leg to go back on it, right comes above my head, right leg comes up, 7 and 8, step on the 1. As I step on the 1, hand swings behind, 1, step in front with the left leg, swing, 2, one more time, I'm gonna jump out here, 3, hop, 4, okay? They're gonna hop, 5, 6 to the back, put my hand out in front, right hand comes above, jump, 7, 8. One more time, we said, ka, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now to go towards the ending now, you're going to take your body, you're going to cross, right leg in front, cross your hands, 2, 3, 4. This last one, I'm going to throw my hand up, 5. You're going to catch on the 6, so you're going to switch your hands in the air, 6, open up, drop the left hand, bring the right leg up, 7, and then switch, bring it up, 8. Same leg, same hand. Okay? From here now, you're going to take the rag to wave around your head twice. I'm going to switch the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to jump 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Going to the ending now. Taking my hands, I'm going to push right, together, left, together. Jump out to your center, swing your hands back. Boom, bend yourself back, open up, open up. That's going to be 7, 8. Then we get our final kick, and 1. All right? And that's going to bring you to the end of the dance. All right, so let's do everything from the top of the rag section, and then we'll go all the way from the top of the whole routine. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ka, 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 ka. And hit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. March. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. All right? Good stuff. So we're going to do everything from the top straight through. All right? So to make sure you have the routine. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, slow. Ta, ta, ta. Ka, 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 ka. Ta, 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 ta. As soon as we reach, it's fire. I beg you, please. Ha, step, step, ball change when we reach. It's fire. Jeez, I beg you, please. We don't want no chaser in rerun when we come with stick. Boom, ha, boom, ta. Then you go X and around and wind up yourself. Hey. Then you go flick, flick, turn, turn, flick. Bring it in, hoom, ha, ka, 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 ka. And start to run now, start to run now, start to run now. Now put your rag up in the air, in the air, in the air. Throw your rag up everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Ha, 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 hoo, 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 hoo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And that's it. You finished the dance. Now, if you had a little bit of trouble with some of the moves, it's totally cool. Don't even worry about it. Just go back in this video and you can repeat as many times as you need, okay? Now it's time for you to do it with full energy and full vibes. So just click right here to see the video and you can join me and my friends doing this dance. And if you record yourself, I'd love for you to tag me on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube so I can see your videos. Alright, stay tuned for next week. We have another dance coming out. So much love and see you next time. Peace!